Back in the shop with another one. Since Zaza's gone back to the stock block, got a brand new motor getting ready to install. Never been ran before. The blue box is coming back off of there. See that red top? Yeah, it's time to go back on that one, and we're gonna be building that one next. But we're getting somewhere. Back with it, another one. Let's get it. Big block come out. See that stage 3 in there? Little baby head. Time to get it going. Zaza's all done. Install complete. Big blocks off. Couldn't find out the spring was broke. There's only one spring in there. That's what's making that noise. But yeah, all we gotta do is put another back tire on there. Drop some gas on it. It's ready to go. And it's for sale. Zaza. Run. Crank it right back. Only thing you can use is the loose back tire. Otherwise than that, ready to ride on. Go over that road, come on. Oh, you see it. Go ahead and go. Yeah. Keep going. Push the power. Yep.
Oh my lord, I love it.
You have to attach this to your right.
Let me hear you say, oh, you see it.
Oh, you see it?
That's right, that's right. Kickstand down. And Zai's officially out of here.